Alright, next thing. I know what's in here. I bought a bunch of books. Okay, well, you get information, you buy books. You have to read. Look at pictures helps too, but read doesn't help. Helps a lot. Okay, so this here, whoop, these are a bunch of books on eBay. They were relatively cheap. Then the guy made a mistake and said make offer. So I'm really cheap. I made an offer. I didn't really care if I won this crap either, so it was a low offer. Damn, he went for it. Oh, I couldn't believe it. I didn't have to pay for it. Yeah. First of all, it's a bad time to buy crap you don't need. But I buy eBay crap all the time. It don't make any difference. So there you go. Okay, eBay crap. Packed good. Good job. Like those painted gas tanks I bought last time. This guy cared about the stuff he sold. Come on, somewhere there's some tape. Here it is. Tape, tape, more tape. Ah, finally getting some books in here. These are packed in here pretty good. Alright, garbage. There you go, my favorite bike. Stupid Buell. So, the way you get educated on bikes, you gotta buy books. These are books. What's that supposed to be? Some kind of ribbon or something. So it looks like we got some 97, 98, 99, 2000. What's this thing here? I don't know. Got another ribbon on here. I bet you got a little oily grease there, so I put rags in, protect it a little bit. Painted parts, oh boy. Painted parts. Bodywork. Bodywork. What the hell's bodywork? Bodywork. More bodywork. What the hell's all this bodywork stuff? They act like I'm going to do bodywork. And what's this? Service literature. Do this part number list. I don't know. This sounds interesting here. I like this. Numbers. I like numbers. Oh, this is nice. So this is all the, you got owner's manuals for a Buell. These are all the Harley part numbers for all the different ones. So if you want a 2007 Lightning model owner's manual, there's your part number. Now you just go search on eBay for that number and it'll pop up. And it looks like dealer price was 10 bucks and retail was 20. I've never seen the dealer price listed before. Pre-delivery and setup manual, I've never seen that before. $5 for the dealer and you're not supposed to sell it. Here's parts catalogs, part numbers, so that's how you get your books. I like this, but it's a nice book. I like this kind of crap. This gives you good information, so you know what you're looking for. So these are all the different models they made and all the different books they had. So there you go. Ooh, they even got job time stuff. Wonder how many hours it takes to work on your Buell. There's your job time sheet. Ordered them up from Harley, and of course you had to be a dealer to get those, but you know, whatever. Wiring diagram stuff. Antique literature. Oh, this is for all models. Oh, look at this. Here's Sportster models too. Now we're getting good information. It's not just Harley, or just not Buell, getting into Harley stuff. You want an 01 Sportster manual, there you go. You want FXD WG2, whatever the hell that would be. 2001. That's a Dynaturd, second generation with a wide glide fork. I think that's what that meant. There we go, my year, 41 to 84 FL. Now we're talking. $29 dealer, 48 retail. Yeah, they ain't that price no more. I like this. This is back in 2009. This is a nice book. We'll keep that one. That's a good one. Me like that one. Okay, so what's the painted parts book look like? Any pictures in here? No. Dry paint. Well, you got wet paint and dry paint? Air dry paint. That means morons can paint. You have to put chemicals in there. Bodywork. This is for like painters. Here's a frame, something, colors, frame section. I'll tell you what color you're supposed to use. California's got their own special paint. That doesn't surprise me. Titanium, yeah, titanium color. Here's a fluid silver, whatever the hell that would be. Alright, there you go. There's what color you're supposed to paint your frame on your Buell. Here's your bodywork for a front fender. It's supposed to be primed. Carbon black, billet metallic, molten orange. Where do they come up with these stupid names? That's a Buell we expect. So that's 95 to 06, 95 to 07. Must be a duplicate. 489. Yep, two the same. Here you got an extra one if anybody needs one. Here's some more 06. Looks like they all started at 95. Is that the first year of a Buell? Maybe. 04, 05. Here's an 03. Got two of the 03s. They always start at 95, see? One thing I learned a long time ago. If you get more than about 10 years in a book, they start taking info out. So you get up these ones here at the very end. So 7's our oldest one, our newest one. They probably left something out that was back in 95 and 6 that you really want if you had a 95 or 6 bike. So you find that, you learn that real quick. So try not to go more than about 10 years of a crack when you're checking stuff out. 4, 5, 3, 3. Alright, I like this one so far the best. Okay, so this is great if you're a painter, but I'm not a painter. I'm sure he'll not restoring a Buell. Okay, so then we got a Buell parts book for Cyclone. Now, what most people don't know about parts books, when you go in the front over here, they have code deciphering in here. There it is right there. Now, general information. So, Buell Motorcycle Company. So this here is your breakdown of your VIN numbers so you know what you have. So this tells you what you had. So if you have an MZ, that is Buell's official brand of deal. Guess what Harley's is? HD. Yeah. Buell is MZ. I don't know why they're MZ, but that's a federal code number. So every Buell number, every Buell will have an MZ as the first digits in there. KS is probably for Kansas because that's where they were made, would be my guess. They don't tell you that though. 11 is your engine. You had a World and you had California. Yeah, California's got to be special. Then you have a horsepower code, J. Don't know what that means. It means it made power. Y is the year, so Y is a 2000. Well, 1 would be 2001. I like just having the numbers in there. And then you got your VIN number certificate. So it appears that they started with 300,000 as their first bike made in 2000. So if you see anything that has 2 in front as the first digit, you know it's fake. And in California started at 320,000, excuse me. So that means if you have a California bike that's under 320,000, it's a fake. And if it's over 325,000, it's a fake. So there you go. Now you know how to make fake numbers. So, but anyway, it tells you all the year model, which is great. That was for an M2. If you got yourself a Cyclone, I guess the Cyclone's an M2. Oh, that's the same thing. Junk. What's an American motorcycle? Here's a Buell American motorcycle. Cyclone again. What's this thing? That's a Thundercloud thing. So this must be for a Thundercloud. So there's your breakdown over here. What do they got? They got a W in here. 98 for W. V is 97. See, it's an MZ because it's Buell, Kansas, because it's made in Kansas. 11 is for a world bike. H is horsepower instead of J. Must be a lower number. And then you got, so this is a W. W is 98. It's a 97, 98 book. So you got domestic VIN number, start at 0. No, it's start at number 1. 1 through 15,000. World was 15,000 to 2,000. California was 20,000. 20,000 to 25,000. So domestic would be U.S. World would be if they went over to Europe, and then you got California by itself again. So there you know where your bike's from. You know that. So you get all that information from the parts book, because parts books are important. They also give you part numbers for parts. Here's your transmission in here. I want a circlip so I can work on my tranny. I want number 7. You go down number 7, there's the part number, retaining ring. You go look for that number right there. And boom, you know what it is. And over here it tells you what it fits. It fits an M2. Oh, that's nice. It also fits every Sportster made in the world too, I bet. Here's a, what is that, a brake lever? Shift lever? What is that stupid thing? That's a weird lever. That must be a shift lever. What a monkey motion thing. Yeah, so if you want one of these shift levers, number 32. It was made in 97. Fits 97 and up M2. And up being we go newer, here's a 97. Where's that 2000? Here's a 2000 M2. So let's see if that lever is page 30. Probably close to the same page. Nope, that's 38. Whoop, I saw a lever. Number 30. Different page. Okay, so it looks like the lever changed. See, it's a different design. So this one's 47. What the hell kind of a number is that? I have no idea what that number means. They got some kind of dorky number they used. So for 2001, it's definitely a different lever. See, they don't use a Harley number anymore. This had a Harley style number in it, which gives you the year. 5-digit -2 is the year. That's a traditional Harley number until they changed in like 2010 or 15 or something. Looks like Buell did it in 2000. They just did the goofy numbers. So, yeah, I have no idea what these numbers mean. They don't make any sense now. See, there's a Harley number though, 89. I know what that means. It means it fits 89 and up. Yeah, I don't know what these numbers mean. Okay, so you know this one here fits a 97 through 98, and it might go up further. If I knew what year this came out, I know what year it would came up to without having the book that actually tells you. But for sure they changed in 01. Now we have a 99 book right here. That's an 02 book. Tell me a 99 book in here somewhere. Here's a 99 book. So this is how you investigate what fits what. And you educate yourself on what they did. Not that I give a squat about a Buell, but this is how you learn. It's a fork. We're in the lever tranny. Back it up. Went too far. Too far there. Clutch. Next page. Tranny. There's that lever. 31. 31. 31. Got a 99 number on it. Ooh, they changed the 99. So that 97 lever only works through 98. And then 99 they changed it. So it looks the same. What's different? Don't know. Something's different. The picture looks the same, but there's something different about it, otherwise they want to have a different number. So I don't know if it's bent different, different lengths. Don't know. The picture's usually pretty close to what they look like. We don't know. So you look at 49's a pivot piece, 50's a pivot piece. 94, the bushing's the same. And 94 bushing again, so it's just 245, 24. The bushing's the same, they didn't change the bushing. So that means it'll probably bolt on. You could probably bolt these on interchangeable, but there's a difference in something. The peg looks the same. The clevis is just a bolt. I don't know what would be different. Something's different. Probably not much. Might be a slightly different angle or something in it. Who knows? Something's different. It could just be a different color too, but usually they tell you the color if it's color change. So we know they changed that in 99. Now we got ourselves an 02 book right here. Let's see, this was an 01 book. Oh, this is a 2000 book here. Okay, so 2000, a different number. So 99 is the only year by itself. 2000 is this one, and if you looked in the 02 book, this one, you would see if it fits newer than 2000. And there's that lever again, 47. It's got that stupid looking 621 number on it, so it's probably the same one. So there you go. That's how you educate yourself. Now the service manual will give you clearances and junk like that, but the parts book shows you what the actual parts are. And you get an idea of kind of how the assembly goes too, because they're drawn in kind of how they go together. Like that goes up to here because it has a line going to it with a bolt through it. What's this? Accessories. Buell had accessories besides t-shirts. They had bags. Oh boy. Ooh, 1125R. That sounds like it's fancy. That's like the jet bike motor in that thing. Oh, well, that's some nice stuff there. You get yourself a tank bag. Look at that. Shit, they might even have some Buell condoms in there maybe too. Get all the good shit. Oh, they had color windscreens. Oh, jeez. Boy, this is some nice stuff here. Ooh, a blast. I got one of those. It doesn't look like that. Yeah, it looks like that. What do you have for a mirror? A set of chrome mirrors or something? Some dorky thing. Oh, they got pull tabs and everything. Oh, they had a big touring windshield you put on your Buell Blast. Oh, nice. Oh, look at that. Is that supposed to be a rack? I don't know. Oh, I told you that a mirror. Oh, they got a Buell mirror with a logo on it. Oh, yeah. I have that. That was it? Saddlebag. I don't see a saddlebag here. You see a saddlebag there? Is that the saddlebag? That thing right there? It's not very big saddlebag. Here's an X1, M2. Ooh, they got a tack kit. No, it didn't come with a tack. Got the Buell. Ooh, hot rod stuff. Thunderstorm heads, high flow. Now we're talking my stuff. $300 for a front head. That'd be like $600 a set, wouldn't it? 98. There you go. You want to make your Sportster run better? Go look for these numbers and put it on your Sportster 1200. It'll run a lot better. That's cheaper than having imported. But you got to get the piston to go with it too. And if you get a set of cams that match it, you'll put out a lot of power. You got an updated ignition module here. Race one. Ooh. There you go. Performance parts. We like those. Get yourself a tool kit. Gold-plated spark plugs. Got to have those. Ooh. We got two people in a Buell. I don't know, but those look like two guys there to me. Is that a gay bike? I don't know. I guess that's the types that ride Buells. I'm going to get in trouble. Alright, there you go. Junk Cali. I like this one right here. This is my favorite one right there. That's worth it right there. I like it right for that reason right there. I can see all these part numbers. I can go looking for books. If I had myself one of these FXRP, FLHTP, and I need a service supplement, I would look for that number right there. I could find one. Just what I needed. If I had a V-Rod, there's my V-Rod number. Oh boy. I can't wait to get one of them. That'd be almost as good as a Buell. Alright, anyway, all Harley books are like that. They all do the same thing. So, if you want to educate yourself on how things work, find some books like that and they'll tell you what fits what. Blogs are not correct most of the time. 99% of the time they're garbage information. That is real information. There you go.